This GR Yaris we have for sale is one of a kind, and let me tell you why. It has had a whole host of modifications invested into it, starting from the outside. It's equipped with H&R's lowering springs and sits pretty on these OZ rally racing wheels. Around the back it features a colour-coded TOMS rear spoiler. It's got the TOMS rear arch vents and it's equipped with CSK's Titanium Exhaust system. The OEM forged carbon roof is now exposed and all impact zones of the bodywork are protected by Carpro self-healing paint protection film, which we installed in-house. Now under the bonnet, this pokey little 3-cylinder engine produces 304 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. That's due to DT's UK's tuning box. It's also equipped with ITG's Induction Kit and Gazoo Racing Strut brace to improve body rigidity. Now moving inside, the only thing that you will find different here is this carbon lever. Yes, it's equipped with a Kotouc Sequential Gearbox, which retails at £15,000. The biggest gain from this modification isn't just about its 40 millisecond lightning quick gear changes. The gearbox provides an extra gear, so it converts the Yaris from a 6-speed to a 7-speed, so you benefit from a bit more acceleration and a higher top speed. If you're wondering what it's like to use a sequential in the real world, and what I mean by that is pop into the shops and park up the car, well, you simply depress the clutch, move the lever back and forth to select your gears. That's normal. If you're after the ultimate hot hatch experience, then this GR Yaris is probably the car for you. So if you want to find out more information about it, please do get in touch by giving us a quick call.